Today, we are talking about a topic that might make you pause for a moment: alcohol and fat loss. Specifically, how even occasional drinking can impact your metabolism, your body composition, and your overall results in midlife. Let's get into why alcohol and fat loss just don't mix, especially during perimenopause and beyond. Alcohol affects fat loss in perimenopause because here's the truth: alcohol is treated like a toxin to your body. That means the moment you have a drink, your body hits pause on everything else, especially fat burning, until it can get rid of the alcohol. It spikes blood sugar and insulin, which can increase cravings and lead to more fat storage, particularly around the midsection, which is already a hot spot for perimenopausal women. It is also very easy to underestimate alcohol's calories. A few glasses of wine or a couple of cocktails can quickly add up to 300, 400, or even more calories. And they're empty calories, meaning no nutrients, no satiety, and no benefit to your goals. Let's also be honest: nobody weighs out their wine or drinks when you're having fun. Now, here's the challenge: our metabolism naturally slows down during perimenopause and menopause due to lower estrogen levels and muscle loss. So, even moderate alcohol intake has a bigger impact than it did in your 20s and 30s. Plus, alcohol can derail progress in ways you don't even realize, like making you hungrier the next day, zapping your energy, or making it a lot harder to recover from workouts. This doesn't mean you have to cut out alcohol forever, but it does mean you need to be intentional and ask yourself, is this serving my goals right now? If you're actively working on fat loss, especially belly fat, reducing or pausing alcohol can make a huge difference. If you do drink, opt for lower calorie, low sugar options like vodka with soda water and lime, or a 4 ounce glass of dry wine. And always be honest with yourself. How often are you having drinks? And what's the trade off? Sometimes that glass of wine isn't just 120 calories, it's 120 calories plus a night of poor sleep, plus the cravings tomorrow, plus skipping the workout. You get the idea. So here's your challenge for today: go back in your app and review your last week of food and drinks. Did any alcohol sneak in more than you thought? Did it impact your sleep, energy, cravings, or overall progress? Reflect on what you notice and remember, awareness is power. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be aware and honest with yourself. The more mindful you are with alcohol, your goals, and the progress you are already making, the easier fat loss becomes, especially during this phase of life.